In the name of God Almighty, hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're quite well. In today's lesson, God willing, we're going to talk about long A sound. A, stay. Long A sound is a deaf sound. That is, two vowel sounds joined together by a glide to make one vowel sound. Long A sound patterns. 1. With magic E, made. 2. With AI, man. 3. With AY, may. 4. With EY, they. 5. With EI, 8. 6. With EA, pray, grade, stay. 7. In French originated words like cafe. 8. A followed by a single consonant. Paper. 9. A followed by several consonants. Temperature. 10. A before consonant plus LE pattern like April. Many thanks for watching the video. Till we meet again, I wish you all the best. God bless you. Goodbye.